Oh, hey there, all you beautiful people, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you for tuning in today. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my unboxings and reviews, makeup shenanigans, skincare, hair, sometimes, but I love palettes. So anyway, okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this Boxycharm for, what is this? February 2021. So, I don't know, it feels pretty heavy today. So let's dive right in. I want to see what I have already. Gosh darn it. And here it is. This theme is, well, it's for Valentine's Day, the X of the nose. That's cute. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Variation is, I'm guessing, BA. So yeah, let's continue with the Saint Luxe. And what is that? Okay, I always start at the bottom. This is just so happens to be at the bottom. So let's go ahead and check this out. It is a limited edition liner duo. Let's see what it looks like and read a little bit about it. Saint Luxe Beauty limited edition liner duo. This lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural line to get a plump, kissable look. Oh, this is a new launch. And it is MSRP'd at 40 bucks. Let's see what it is. I don't even know what color it is or anything. Okay, so not too thrilled about these. These are browns. So this one is the lip liner in the shade Secret Admirer. Just like a brown. And then this one is Love Letter lip liner. And it's like it's brown, but it's like a mauvey brown, I guess. Yeah, not too fond of those. I don't really do those colors. And next up we have the Hanskin Hyaluronic Skin Essence. Oh, that's why it's so heavy. This is big. 10 fluid ounces. Moisturizers. It's a 5-in-1, 11 free system. This is developed by the investors of K-Beauty's first BB cream. This hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium H, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its water weight. This cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. So it's cushiony. I've never heard a product be described as cushiony. It's cushiony. It's a liquid, but it's cushiony. It's very thick liquid, like almost like a serum. See? Yeah. Interesting. I wonder if there's a scent to it. Did it say if there's a scent? Oh, it's sealed anyway, so that's good. Happy it's sealed. So it's a 5-in-1 moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening. And then it's 11 free system. 6 types of parabens and all benzoyl alcohols and such like that. It's free of those harsh chemicals. Okay, so next up, we're going to do the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. And here it is. So for this, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. This sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. Well, I mean, it sounds like something I wear. How to use. Tap and blend with the fingertip onto fingertips or brush onto lips and cheeks for hydration and buildable color. I want to see what it looks like. There we go. Okay, so these are those little things I was seeing. So, I guess that's the lip gloss. The top or whatever. Okay. Kind of like that brand, so maybe I'll give it a whirl. Next up we have Lavido Age Away Hydrating Cream. I was kind of hoping for this one. Here it is. And it's Libido inspired by nature, evening primrose seeds, sea buckthorn, and pumpkin seed. Age Away Hydrating Cream, and it's 1.69 fluid ounces. Not bad. Did I do that? Tell you how much these have been? This one was $46. This one is $22. And this one, what we just read about, is $55. This moisturizer is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. A high concentration of plant actives, including antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids. Promotes cellular regeneration to restore elasticity and firmness. $50. I'm trying that one. Now, we've got the Ace Beaute. Do people really say it like that? Like Ace Beaute? Or do they say Ace Beauty? Or so let's get rid of that. It's the Nostalgia palette, and this is, if I remember correctly, I think this was the one I got in choice. I don't remember what the alternative was. The Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. MSRP $38.99. I do like this brand, but I would never pay that much for it. I never pay that much for anything. I'm a cheapskate. Okay, so it comes in a box. Pretty box. I love the flowers and the green. Yeah. The same. Outside box is the same as this. Ooh, that's pretty. I think I'm gonna keep this one. Beach, popsicle, stargazing, theme park, water slide, fun, hiking, camping, carnival, picnic, flip-flops, raspberry, vacation, heat, and flower. This is a very like spring and summery and actually almost any time of the year, or maybe that's just me. So that is it for this Boxycharm. From the snakes I had seen, I wasn't looking forward to it because it didn't seem all that. But I can get this back in. But to my surprise, it was actually decent. I think this palette and this product made it worth it. I don't know about those other products, but okay. I'm happy with this box, and let me know what you got. If you're happy with yours, or what's going on with you and your Boxy. You're loving it? You're hating it? I know lately I've been a little bit over it because, like last time I got a dirty palette, and then so I always get like something. I always like a lot of times my palettes are like have marks on them or touches on them or something on them, and it's kind of gross. So I finally let them know, and they said, "Oh no, it's supposed to be like that." And I'm like, "Well, I mean, I don't feel comfortable with putting that on my face." So I thought they were gonna send me another one. No, they sent me the "I love you forever" or whatever, and it just doesn't go. I just don't do well with those colors. So I was a bust. Just left it alone after that. But so that's it. I just wanted to give you a boxy update and do my unboxing, and thank you for watching. I will see you later. Bye.